week after we thought Lucky croaked. And there she is, wagging her tail. You all done your business, kiddo? Want to go in the house? Huh? You want to go in the house? Okay. Are you posing for a treat now? You want a treat? You want a treat? Now you're looking over in that direction. Let's get you a good one. Special treat. Come on. Go ahead. Get your treats. Nice. Going after all 5 of them. Sit down. Good girl. Good to see you moving around. Lay down. Lay down. Go ahead, lay down. Good girl. I'm going to give you an extra special one for that. Wow, these don't want to come out of here too easy. Gonna sit up? Good girl.